Hey, I'm RJ. Canva might have solved an interesting workflow problem for creators like us who use AI. Here's what happened. Canva bought Affinity, which is design software on par with Photoshop, and then they made it free if you have a free Canva account. So everything is free so far. Here's the smart, sneaky bit. The design software is free. The AI tools within the design software cost money and lock you into, you guessed it, the monthly subscription trap. Most of us really don't like this trap. So here's the two-step solution. Step 1, Render FX as your AI image generation tool. It's local on your computer, not in the cloud, and it's a one-time payment, not a monthly subscription. You can create high-quality AI images to your heart's content using batch mode with crazy fast speed. Watch this speed battle video where Render FX generates 5 images 9 minutes faster than ChatGPT. Step 2, snag your free Canva account and grab Affinity for free. Bring your Render FX images into Affinity to edit and polish. Avoid the cloud and the monthly subscription trap. It's a two-step workflow. Problem solved.